Hey, this is Matt Gonzalez from Mac Rumors. In iOS 8, Apple announced family sharing, a way to have up to 6 different accounts share purchases and more easily interact with each other. So you can share your iTunes, iBooks, and App Store purchases without having to repurchase them, and also create a unified photo album and calendar. You can share your location and use Find My iPhone, and you can also set parental controls for those other devices. To get this to work, all the devices need to be on iOS 8 or higher. Then you'll need someone to be the designated family organizer. This is the person that's responsible for managing all the data. Once you have it set up, you can then add family members through an invite, or the member that wants to join can enter the family organizer's iCloud password to join the group. By default, members are treated as an adult, but if there are children in the group, you can designate them as such, and you will then have much more control over what that person can do and can't do. So if you choose, they will have to ask permission to buy something, and you can also track that device. Now, family sharing is set up and you will be able to share purchases. Just go into the iTunes Store, App Store, or iBooks app and go to the Purchase tab and you will be able to see the items which are available for download. And if for some reason you want to hide a purchase, you can also do that by clicking Hide. You can also create a shared calendar and photo album for family sharing. In the Calendars app, you select the family calendar and each member can then add events to it. And the family organizer is in charge so they can review the permissions of each family member. For photos, every member needs to have iCloud photo sharing turned on, and once it is enabled, the family photo album will be in the shared section of the Photos app. And now, users can add their own posts, and when they do, a push notification will go out to the rest of the members in the group. The last thing that can be done with family sharing is the ability to share locations and use Find My iPhone. This is done through the Find My Friends or messaging app, and it gives you information on the location for all these different members. Also, if a member loses their Mac, iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, the other members in the group can see where that device is and hopefully get it back. So those are all the features with family sharing. It is definitely a great feature for families that want to stay connected, but there are a few things you should be aware of. Right now, any user in the group can use Find My iPhone to lock or wipe a device and play a notification sound that's normally used to help you find the device without any of the other members knowing, and this is also allowed for children's accounts to do as well, so it's definitely something to keep in mind when deciding to use this feature. But overall, family sharing is a great new way to connect a group of people in a closer way than simply messaging or emailing each other. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Follow us on Twitter at MacRumors and visit us at macrumors.com. Again, my name is Matt, and I'll see you in the next video.